Imagine where you could be after a month or two if you invested 10 minutes a day on learning a new skill. Sounds unrealistic? Well, what if ChatGPT was your teacher? If you're looking to change your life and master a new skill with minimal time investment, buckle up, because we'll show you how. So, whether you're looking to expand your knowledge, improve your life, or earn more money, ChatGPT can help get you there. Hi, I'm Jasper. And in this video, we'll cover 4 game-changing hacks you can use to learn any skill as soon as possible. Let's go. Step 1. Using ChatGPT as a personal mentor. Finding an actual human expert on a specific topic that is willing to dedicate their time to us and answer all the questions we may have is kind of hard. It also costs serious money in most cases. Well, guess what? You can convince ChatGPT that it's an expert on any topic you can imagine with a single prompt. More importantly, you could use its expertise to learn whatever you want. For example, type in, "You're an expert on investing and saving money. I want you to be my mentor." And then just ask away. Remember that it's not a person, so there are no stupid questions. It doesn't matter if you're looking to learn about the stock market, finding the right investment approach, or build up your emergency savings fund. ChatGPT will offer great strategies and tips to help you reach your goal. Step 2. Keeping yourself accountable. ChatGPT is also a fantastic accountability partner. If you're trying to master a new skill, you can ask ChatGPT to design a study schedule for you. For example, type in, "I want to learn about investing money in 2 weeks. Can you design a schedule for me on what I need to go over? I have only an hour a day." That's all you need. And in just a few seconds, you get a detailed 10-day timeline with topics and concepts you need to learn about. You can also change the amount of time you want to dedicate to it and come up with a perfect custom schedule. Stick to it, and you'll have a broad understanding of your topic before you can say portfolio diversification. Well, now that you've learned all this stuff, how do you retain it? You guessed it. Step 3. Testing your knowledge. Creating tests and exams with ChatGPT is a breeze. Type in, "I learned about investing and I need a quiz to check my knowledge." You'll get a list of multiple choice questions to see if you mastered the skill. What's the difference between a stock and a bond? What is risk tolerance? I'm not 100% sure, but you will be if you follow ChatGPT's learning schedule. At the end of each quiz, you get the correct answers with a brief explanation. So you can check if you aced it or if you need to cram a little bit more. You can even take it a step further. Type in, "Test my knowledge on investing. Ask me a question and I'll provide an answer. Then give me feedback." Let's do this 5 times. It's like talking to a real expert. Step 4. Discovering new learning resources. You know what they say, the more you know, the more you grow. ChatGPT can access the entire internet, so it knows all the best places you can learn from. Type in, "I want to learn more about finances and passive income. Can you give me some resources?" And in just a few seconds, you'll get recommendations for books, online courses, podcasts, blogs, and more. If you prefer visual learning, mention it in your prompt, and ChatGPT will tell you which YouTube channels to check out. Aside from this one, obviously. If you prefer to keep things a bit more interactive, we'll give you a list of forums, subreddits, and other online communities you can join. It's that easy. That's all for this one. Thanks for watching. Now, as you expand your horizons and learn new things, check out our other videos on ChatGPT, making money with Pawns.app, and more. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a like. Have some handy learning tips? Share them in the comments. Finally, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.